So as you see on the bottom of the screen, mom vanishes. Husband and secret wife arrested. So husband is facing murder and arson, and secret wife is facing accessory after the fact. Joining me again, Randy Zellen, David Bruno. Here's what I don't get. If you don't have a body, I know it's not impossible to mount a case, but it sure is an uphill battle.
Very difficult, absolutely. We actually saw in the Casey Anthony case how important the manner is in proving it. And here we have no body whatsoever. So they better have a strong case.
Because they used the little girl's body and the position of the tape on her mouth and the stickers and everything to mitigate the fact that the mom would never have left the body of
They couldn't prove how she died.
Anthony that way.
They could not prove how she died,
right.
And that ultimately was
the
problem in that case.
Made the difference.
So here, they better have some strong evidence, and right now they're tight-lipped, and they should be because they're the prosecutor's office and the sheriff's.
What do you
they're
need?
saying we can't release.
You need double the case. You need double the case if you don't have a body.
I mean, look. First of all, the Casey Anthony case is not a good example because that case was overcharged. Had they charged what they could prove, which was a manslaughter, whether it's a heat of passion or her acting recklessly, doing something insanely stupid, it's a different story.
Well, what about this? What about
here,
this?
in this case, look, in this day and age, jurors are okay with no body, no weapon, no confession. First of all, you have a motive. And as you've said, they're tight-lipped, which means they've got evidence. Now, what is circumstantial evidence? Well, if you don't have the smoking gun, you have a person here, you have a crime over here. You've got a link. Each link gets you from point A to point B, so they must have them together. They already have the motive, which is she probably was threatening to blow the whistle, and they have one critical piece of evidence. Well, they've got the secret wife. People locked up a while.
Sorry to interrupt there. Sorry to interrupt there. It actually just so happens, I was speaking to the sheriff of Tulare County only yesterday on this very subject, on how difficult it would be to put together a case without a body, and he was very confident, Sheriff Mike Boudreau was very confident that this can be done. He said that it's only happened a handful of times in the state of California where someone has, where a case has been brought forward, a murder case like this has been brought forward without a body, but he is very confident. And as you say,
I've seen it before.
There was a lot of circumstantial evidence that has been referenced, but not actually specifically divulged.
Dominic,
it seems the sheriff's office keeping things very close to their chest.
Full-on convictions without a body before. It just all depends on what kind of jury you get. But there is the story. That's the heart of the story you're looking at on your screen right now. She's missing. We will see where it goes from here. Stunning discovery. 13-year-old girl.